back. In yet another shocker for the common man in Karnataka, the State Assembly has passed a bill to impose an additional cess of 500 rupees on private two-wheelers and 1,000 on cars at the time of registration. The bill that was passed yesterday during the winter session in Belgavi amid severe opposition from the BJP, with the Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister S.K. Patil tabling the Karnataka Motor Vehicles Taxation Second Amendment Bill. And after tabling the bill, the minister said the money would be allocated to Karnataka Motor Transport and other allied workers, Social Security and Welfare Fund, which supports buses, cabs and auto rickshaw drivers. Now, another hike in Karnataka that has now been reported. Let's in the meantime talk about how the BJP has been reacting.
Congress's Khatakat loot in Karnataka just does not stop. After increasing the taxes on water, petrol, diesel, stamp duty, environment cess, milk, all kinds of things, now 500 to 1,000 rupees cess will be given and added on private vehicles, on cars and bikes, and an extra taxation and burden, a jizya taxation, has been put on the common man of Karnataka. What is the fault of the common man of Karnataka? And they are only looting from the public.
Deepak, good morning. It seems the BJP is raising the issue of cess on new cars and bikes, 500 to 1,000 rupees respectively, additional cess that is now going to be levied. Will the introduction that was done and passed in the assembly yesterday?
Well, yes. Yesterday it was passed in the assembly. This is the amendment to the motor vehicles, a bill where they are going to charge 500 rupees for the purchase of a new two-wheeler, 1,000 rupees for the purchase of a new car. Basically, they're saying that this money will be used for the social security of, auto drivers or cab drivers and so on. The BJP, of course, is raising objections to it, and they're saying that it's a burden to the common man. With me is the leader of the opposition from the Legislative Council, Mr. Chalwadi Narayan Swamy, sir. The bill, of course, has cleared from the assembly. It comes to, the upper house where you sit. How are you going to really take it up as far as your council is concerned?
So I will discuss with all my colleagues. First, number one. Number two, if it is useful and helpful to the masses, so definitely we are going to support. So we wanted to ask the explanation from the government how they are going to use this. First of all, there is no security for these drivers. So that if it is useful to them, so we will definitely help them.
But this money being paid from the consumer's end, do you think that is justified?
So this is not the big amount. So small amount, maybe what for they are collecting, I don't know. So first I will check with the department, then I will come back.
Meanwhile, some of your legislators have also been raising questions about funding from, the government, especially the BJP legislators. Yesterday, we are told in the CLP as well, some of the Congress legislators as well brought up the funds issue. How do you really look at this development in the last couple of days?
See, actually there is no funds at all in the government. See, government is totally become a empty vessel now. So I think this session, particularly to discuss the North Karnataka issues. What has happened? See, still they are talking about guarantees and so many other problems, which is totally a corruption issues.
Okay.
So I don't think they are giving any interest to the northern Karnataka problem. So farmers are all fighting in outside.
Right.
Even so many others. And even the deaths of the women.
Okay.
So that's how the BJP, which is now opposing the Khatakat model there of the Congress government in the state of Karnataka, with additional cess that will be levied on two-wheelers and on cars upon registration. Thank you very much, Deepak, for joining in.